One of the big problems in relationship is complaining. And we are masters in complaining. Not only women, also men. So what's happening is that we are starting to expect more, right? And we are very easily able to forget all the nice things what our partner did for us, and rather to see the things what he or she didn't. So it doesn't matter that that person did 10 other things to make you happy, to make you feel good from love for you. Just one thing he did or she didn't do, it will stay with you forever. The nice things are forgotten, and this one is here. You haven't done it for me, or you have done this or that. If you want to save your relationship, if you want to make your relationship happy, to feel good at home, stop complaining, start valuing. Because if you start value your partner more, you will get more of those nice things. Less complaining, more valuing.